The internet and Selena Gomez said that pickles and Reese's are a thing. They are two things. Let's see if they like each other when they make out in my mouth.
Take a pickle, take the Reese's, and voila.
That's ruining two things I love very much. Another bite for science. I have also prepared a few other options. Sweet pickles, a Reese's stick. Love these.
Hate.
Bread and butter pickles.
The hate flow through you.
So I'm not feeling great about this, but oh my god, that's worse. Excuse me. That was not a success. Maybe Reese's Pieces and a hot pickle. Oh yeah, internet. You want to see me eat this pickle? Just makes me sad. I don't like it, Selena. That was Pickles and Reese's. I will say that the original dill pickles with the regular Reese's peanut butter is the least offensive of the three. This, I don't know if I will ever recover from. Thank you, internet, for expanding my palate yet once again.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.